I am starting off the vlog a little bit late, but we are here for Jess's birthday weekend.
I'm gonna check on my car first.
She's right here. We're what happened?
Oh no, I want to check on my car first. Hi.
This is Jess. Oh, shout out your YouTube.
Okay, my YouTube is Bombay, BAEJJAY.
I can't. So basically we're here for her birthday weekend. I'm gonna go check her car because we came here last night, but we came late.
God willing, it's still there.
It will be because she parked in like a safe spot. We got it like last minute last night.
Right.
But it's like where we are, like there's not a lot of parking. Well, there is, but there's a lot of cars. There's more cars.
Not a lot of parking at night.
Yes, we figured that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're driving around for a literal hour.
I think it was more.
It was more than an hour. But the thing is, it seemed like more than. Okay, I see it. I think it's fine.
Yeah, your car's fine. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back.
We see it. She good.
Yes. I'm happy.
Look at God. God blessing us.
God got it.
We're gonna go to, what is it called?
What, South Street?
Like what we're gonna go to now.
Oh, it's called the Mayfest Festival.
So we're gonna go to the Mayfest Festival. We're gonna eat. Ring the alarm. I've been hearing this so long.
Do you have to get down? Do you want to eat here?
No.
Do you want to eat here or the festival?
I don't know. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of food at the festival.
I'll wait.
I wasn't saying that for a tip. Oh, introduce yourself. Oh, now
Hi, my name is Janet. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm supposed to be looking down, right? Like you look here. Hi.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Oh, drop the money. Bad and bullshit, bad. Oh, drop the money. Out of space, kid, country.
I kind of want mozzarella stick.
Go for it.
But I'm gonna hold on.
Oh, you want something light? No, blue thing I gave them at the customer.
I really couldn't go. I tried. They make them in-house. They're like really big mozzarella.
You still looking?
I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get mozzarella. Are they really good?
Oh, sure.
Ate and then we did like a refresh and now we're about to go to the festival. We're getting an Uber.
Oh, he said he's at the corner of 9 and Central, so maybe.
Sunglasses.
It feels good.
It feels so good.
I don't like burgers.
You're my fire, holding tighter. What's mine is hers, vice versa.
Wait, what? No, okay. I need to. How y'all doing today? Yeah. This is actually kind of. Yeah. It's nice camera. We're having fun beginning. Okay, first of all. It's bomb.
Don't like it like.
Two snaps, you get better replies. No blue tick, but you're verified. You're verified.
It is the end of Jess's birthday weekend for me. Her sister was actually here last night, and she left this morning. And then her two best friends are here from college, and they're all together. Like, it was like a really cool weekend. Her sister is absolutely amazing, so sweet, just like Jess. And her two friends from college, like very authentic, genuine, beautiful women outside as inside. Like, they were just like so refreshing, like they were so funny. Pretty much they are staying until Sunday, but I had to leave. I have an appointment Sunday, but it was a really, really good weekend. And I'm just so, thank you so much, Jess, if you're watching this, for inviting me. Like, it was very refreshing. But that is it for the video, guys. I look crazy because it's been like a long day. We've been like walking up and down, but it was so much fun. It really, really, really was. But I will see you guys. My lips are probably crusty, but so I will definitely see you guys in another vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if I do not say it enough, just know that I appreciate every single one of you guys. I definitely know it's like a big jump from my Jamaica vlogs to my America vlogs. I understand. I definitely think, you know, Jamaican culture is unmatched, and I just think everyone that like sticks with me for the journey that I'm on in America. So thank you guys so much. Like, if I do not say it enough, thank you. I really do appreciate you guys, because there's so many of you guys that check on me, send me positive messages. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So yeah, so thank you guys. I really, really appreciate it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, stay blessed.